Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vel Dog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you new recipes every week and making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're gonna jump right into this today. What we're gonna be making is a healthy, fresh green bean and potato, a southern style with smoked turkey legs right here. Alright, so I'm going to show you these are the green beans right here. I've just been sitting them in water with the salt and all that stuff to clean them up and all that stuff. This is some lemon juice. I have some scallions right here. Well, the green onions or whatever you want to call it. Some garlic cloves. Some bouillon cube by Nor. I see some black pepper. Some red peppers right here. I have a little lemon pepper right here and a little onion powder right there. Followed by 6 red potatoes. We're going to leave that skin right on there. We're just going to wash it up real good. Okay? And I'm going to be cooking it in a pressure cooker, because I don't want to be all day with this smoked turkey leg. Alright guys, stay tuned in. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Now what I did was I used this cleaver because I want this to sit in that pot. I don't want it to be standing sideways, so I chopped it in half. Wash your meat off, please wash your meat off. Alright? We're going to put like 4 cups of water in there. That's about 4 cups of water right there. You don't need a lot of water in there at all. See that? That's not a lot of water. About right here. Okay? Because the water is not going anywhere. I assure you that. The pressure cooker is going to make sure it stay in there. So, with the green beans, I'm going to show you how to do these real quick because it's going to take a while. You just snap them in half. You can leave them whole if you want to. Let me get another bowl. Okay. I don't know about that board. Okay, let me get this stuff out of the way and clean up this board. I just want to show you what you got to do with the green beans. Make sure you wash your hands and all that good stuff, because you don't want to contaminate nothing. So here's another board. See, you're going to have like the little pieces right here. I got fingernails, so I just break mine off and just snap them in half like that. Okay? That's all you're doing. See if you can get them even. You know? Just like that. And when we get done doing that, all we're going to do is rinse them off this side. It's time consuming, so I know you guys don't want to watch me do this for about a good 20 minutes. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just want to give you a quick rundown of what I did. All I did was chopped up them 3 cloves and I put them in this little dish right here. Potatoes we're not going to mess with till that meat get done. Okay, these green beans got washed off. Now I'm letting them drain. And that's all we're going to do for right now. The only thing we're waiting on is that meat. And before we can season everything up and we throw them potatoes in there and the green beans, and we'll be pretty much done. Alright? See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just letting you know, keeping you guys updated on what I'm doing. The turkey got done. As you can see, it's nice and tender. Okay? But I gotta let this cool off because I'm gonna pick the meat, because turkey legs got a lot of bone in them. See all that? See all that? So I'm about to get all that meat off of there. I want to eat some food and bite one of them bones, so I'm going to go ahead and let that cool off and take the meat off of that. And guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Now, all we're going to do is take us some green beans, put us some of those in there. Alright, we're going to take us some meat, put some of that in there. This is how I do mine. I don't know how you do yours, but trust me, it tastes better like this way. That's where all the meat be evenly spread it out. Alright? Alright. That's enough of that. Wash my hands. Although the meat is cooked, but it just don't feel right. It don't feel right touching something else when your hands are sticky. So I'm gonna scoot this to the side. Matter of fact, I ain't gotta do all that. We take our potatoes. Just cut it like that. You can cut it in fours. Remember I showed you how to do that? If you don't, this is how you do it. Cut it in fours. You can leave them bad boys together. Like so. Now, if you ain't got skills with the knife, do it a different way. I just go ahead and cut them down like this. Okay. I love a lot of potatoes. Yeah, I want to use all of them. Because in actuality, this is a meal by itself. So you can just cut like this. For those that don't know how to do it like that, or just kind of nervous about doing it, and you can just move this out all in the way and stuff. You guys can't even see what's going on. So you put them together like this, like that. Okay. Put those in there. 3 chops. See? That's it. Throw that in there. This stuff is off the chain. I love fresh, healthy green beans. I'll tell you that. It's better than buying stuff in a can. So add a little garlic in it. Not all of it yet. Okay. We're gonna put some more stuff in there. We're gonna add us I'll say roughly like a tablespoon of the onion powder. About a tablespoon of that. Take us some of this red crushed pepper. We're gonna add like a quarter teaspoon. We don't want a lot. We don't want to burn our mouth, do we? So that's like a quarter teaspoon. We're gonna go in with this. This is our lemon pepper seasoning. We do a teaspoon of that. That, and we got our black pepper, and we just go with like a quarter teaspoon of that. All right, that's it. And it should look like something like that if you can see that. All right, so we're just gonna give that some good shaking up a little bit. It's gonna cook anyway. I ain't worried about that. Go back in with our green beans, potatoes. Guys, comment down below. Let me know how you guys like yours and what I could have did better. Just add that in there like so. Take our meat, slide that in there. The rest of our meat. And that's it on that. I'm gonna put one of these in here just north. Since I had it out to it, a lot of flavor actually. So I'm just gonna put some of that in there. Make sure it touches the water so it can bubble up on it. And man, I'm trying to tell you, this one's gonna be off the chain. Off the chain, excuse me, I almost fell over. I was excited, I guess. Alright guys, we're just gonna go ahead and put the rest of our little garlic in it. Just like that. Spread it around. Okay? So that's what you're looking at right there. Alright? Okay. We're going to swish it around, make sure we get some of that seasoning in that juice. And we're going to take this back over here. Put it in the pressure cooker. Cook it for about 15 minutes. And it should be ready. You push this button. Yep. And we're good. And I'll see you when the rest of that get done. Oh, before I go, remember that macaroni salad? Here's the macaroni, okay, that I didn't use. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to eat with this. You know what I'm saying? I was going to make a meatloaf for it. Then I ain't want no pork chop. So I said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna put some ground beef up. It's gonna be almost like a spaghetti, macaroni, something, whatever. But I'm gonna hook this up and I'll let you guys see how that looks. Okay, in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. There it is, all day, every day. This is what we do right here in Veldall Kitchen. We create things, make things out of nothing and turn them into something. So if you guys love this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, comment, let me know how I'm doing, and please refer this channel to your other friends and families and whoever you come in contact with. If you hear someone talking about they want to eat something good, tell them don't go to this restaurant. Stay at home. Tune into Veldall's Kitchen, where he make restaurant quality food, or should I say where we make restaurant quality food, or better. My home to yours. Veldall said, let's get cooking. So don't forget, guys, this is a healthy, fresh green beans and potato Southern style. And that macaroni, I just made some meat sauce up. Okay, let me show you the pot. As promised, this is the pot right here. Alright, I just made some meat sauce up, threw some cheese on there. That's what we do. So guys, stay tuned in to Veldall's Kitchen. Next week I'll be making something new for you guys. Veldall signing out in a minute.